Hello and welcome back, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1995 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This gorgeous Arctic white car has an LT1 350 engine under the hood, 6-speed manual transmission in this car. Power steering, power brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes, ice-cold air conditioning, 16,000 original miles on this car. Very clean inside and out. Couple small little scratches that I'll show you on the car. Tan leather interior. Power windows, power locks, power seat. Got a Hurst shifter in it. Beautiful interior. The seats are in very, very nice shape. All the factory tags are in place like they're supposed to be. Back seats are very nice as well. Tilt wheel, cruise control, CD player. Rear window defrost. There's the T-top covers. Here's the Competition Plus shifter box. I'm sure the original shifter is in that box as well, so if you ever want the original one. Sold new at Brown Chevrolet in, what's that say, Wamego, Kansas. Dual exhaust quad pipes. Does have an aftermarket set of wheels on it. They look great on this car, in my opinion. T-tops are in great shape. Headliner's very nice. Door panels are in great shape as well. They're not all busted up. A lot of these cars, you know, they get miles on them and the dashes get busted and door panels get busted. This car is really, really clean, super nice. Does have a little scratch down here on the bumper cover. I haven't even tried to buff on that yet. It'd probably buff off, I think, but I just now actually noticed it when I had it in here on the table. We cleaned it the other day, and I just noticed that. I'm not going to price this car for a ton of money. Car's probably going to be somewhere in the $19,900 range, $21,900 maybe. It will be priced today, though, on my website, so. Dash lights work, left turn, right headlight indicator, blower motor, stereo. Rear window defrost. Does have fog lights. Fog light button works. Horn works. This car is super fun to drive. My son and I took this car out and drove it about, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago. Last weekend, I guess it was, maybe, but he really loved it, so did I. They're fun cars to drive, especially with a 6-speed in them. You know, automatic cars, they're okay, but they're nothing like the 6-speed cars. Just a really cool car, you know, inexpensive collector car for someone to have fun with. T-top car, low mileage. We'll take it out for a spin here quick. really humid out, so pulled it out of the air conditioning, and you can just see the humidity clinging to the car. So if you see the it'll go away when we get going down the road. Yeah, like yesterday I got home, it was Sunday, and I just couldn't believe how humid it was. These are such great cars to drive. There. Yeah, it's super humid. Such wonderful cars to drive. They run so good. They drive so nice. And I like about them is we're going 75 mile an hour down the road. We're turning 1700 RPM. So they got highway gears in them. So they're fun, and they actually get some fuel mileage. So Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. There she is, outside. 95 Z28 Camaro, T-tops, LT1 350, 6-speed. Gorgeous car, tan leather. Give us a call, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. And those of you who have, we really appreciate it. Gonna be a barn burner today. Super hot. Like I say, I think yesterday I got home late in the afternoon, and I think it was 94, 95 degrees. Kids were in the pool, and you just stand outside and the sweat runs off you. Say super fun car to drive. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.